Hi, I'm Aidan, a rising junior at Garden City High School, and for my main project, I'm making an Arduino infinite runner game, where as the player you have to run and avoid obstacles for as far as you can without hitting them. So, for my first milestone, I made it so that the LCD display will be able to take input from the button, which is how the player is going to control their character and not get hit by the obstacles. So for this first milestone, I first got all my components, made sure everything worked, tested everything, and then I had to figure out how to wire them all and learn some basic Arduino in order to code it. So currently I have my LCD screen set to display some text, and then when I press the button, the text will change. So this is all powered as of now by my laptop, which is acting as a power source. So the electric current flows from my laptop to the Arduino, which is then sent to the breadboard where it powers everything else. And it splits off into two paths, one of which being powering the LCD and the other being the button. So when the current reaches the button, if the button is not pressed, the current is basically sent back and immediately grounded. But if the button is pressed, then it's allowed to go through the button and into this wire, where it then reaches this pin on the Arduino, which will then, through my code, send a signal to the LCD screen to change the text that's being displayed. So for this step of my project, I had to learn how to wire everything and how everything's connected on the breadboard. And I also had to learn a little bit of Arduino coding in order to have the LCD display messages. So one of the main challenges for this step was definitely figuring out how to wire everything, because I tried a couple different layouts, but none of them really worked. So I eventually just decided to wire the display and the buttons separately, and then connect them with my code. So I basically have all my hardware laid out for my project now. So my next step would just be to code the game and have it work. So yeah, thank you.